cable's not moving about too much at the moment, but it's certainly cable joining in adverse conditions, eh? Just every now and then a big wave seems to come in and give us a bit of a pounding. Just gone completely calm again, it's weird. There goes the ROV, it's third deployment. We've cut the cable and now the ROV is going down to catch a hold of one of the ends of the cable that it just cut. Bring it to the surface and we can have a look at it. Yay! Going on midnight now, we're paying this cable up about 25 metres at a time. It's like pulling teeth. We have to put a grip on every single time and then take it off 25 metres later. That's the only way we're going to get this up. Guys here just taking off the previous grip. I'm going to take up on this winch. Dave's on the air tuggers over there. Better get my hand. Well, good day everyone. We're on Tuesday as far as I can make out. Doesn't really matter. We're still chasing faults on our cable and we're now barrelling off to a repeater station in Little Bay Inland, Little Bay inshore from here. At last the weather's turned in our favour and it's conditions here are pretty much perfect for what we're going to be doing for the rest of the day. Okay, catch you later. Yeah, we're on point for another attempt at salvage, and here comes Sea Dragon with one personnel, don't know who, and further supplies, which means that yeah, we can stay out here even longer. Yeah, you dropped it. Butterfingers. see, but we've come in a bit just above Sea Dragon there. You can see Rottnest Island, but you're looking east at Rottnest, and then way behind there, you probably can't see it, but you can see the coast 30-40 miles away. You can only see it because the hills are obviously sticking up in the air. That'll be the supplies. It's probably just my birthday cake, eh? Oh wait, there's more. The narcotics. Oh, it's Joey from Maripro. Alrighty.
Standard bridge, stands up. Standard bridge, go ahead. Well, we've got the packs in the stores. Is anyone going back to the boat?
Yeah, me.
I don't believe so. One moment. That's a negative from Maripro. That's a negative.
Yeah. Well, it would be negative, wouldn't it? Bye-bye, Dragonfly. Sleeping in your own beds tonight, you lucky bastards.
No worries, thanks, JB. You can still drive, that's a very engaging. I think he knows.
Oh, well, they're not going to have half as much fun as we are today, are they, hey? Mess of cable up off the ocean, and the analysts are having a look at it now. It's almost the end of the day, and just another 6 hours to go on my shift. There's a West Australian sunset for you, which I just missed. Terrible camera work again. Okay, well that's the end of it. The decks are pretty much cleared of cable and stuff. Everything's disconnected. The underwater system is not repaired, but at least we know lots of things that aren't wrong with it, which is kind of some consolation. Nothing wrong with that. A lot of you guys packing up. There's sunset. We're heading north around Rottnest Island and back to Fleet Base West late tonight, I guess. Okay, ta-da.